In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this render image in 5 minutes. Let's align the default cube's bottom with the world center, and move the origin to the 3D cursor like this. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. S and Z to scale in the Z-axis. In edit mode, press Ctrl R to add a loop cut. By the way, we can type G twice to edge slide when needed. The mesh's render subdivision level needs to be 3 as well. I'll add 2 array modifiers. Let's add a random color set of material nodes. I'll share the fully zoomed nodes shortly. Here are the full nodes. Let's apply the modifiers. Tab to go to edit mode. A to select all, and P to separate by loose parts. I'll type M to put the arrayed meshes in the same collection. Let's deselect everything, and select the meshes randomly like this. S and Z to scale in the Z-axis. I'll use the sky texture. Let's set up the render scene. In order to rotate the camera, we need to select the camera first, and type R to rotate with the value. For example, we can type R and 230 to rotate the camera 230 degrees. Ctrl Z to undo to try again. Please experiment with the various rotation values before rendering. I'll use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.